Hi, I'm Helen Griffin and I'm the featured designer behind the November Papercraft Society Subscription Box, and I have the box right in front of me and I'm about to delve in and show you guys what you get exactly in the box. Okay, so first off I want to talk about this beautiful box. It's got lovely silver foiling on there and that is going to look fantastic on my bookshelf stored just as it is. And it also comes with this lovely Velcro fastening here as well, so we can have that closed nicely. So let's have a look inside. I'm sure you want to see all the goodies in there. So here we have a sentiment from myself, from my craft desk to yours, a beautiful box of products to pamper your creativity. Because at the end of the day, it is like you are literally opening a lovely gift for your creativity. So let's pop this aside now. Let's have a look at this wallet, which will be one of the first things that you're going to want to have a look in. So this just opens out and then it unfolds and it unfolds again, and this is going to be holding all of your goodies in. So we have silver foiled accents here. Let's grab those out first. Here we are, lovely sentiments, and the patterns here are going to match the papers, which we'll get to in a moment. So here is the embossing folder. So it does the embossing here, and you have a blank space here that's going to coordinate with the stamp set, which I will show you in a moment. So you can use it in portrait and even landscape, and you can even trim it down if you wanted to make a square. So I love this. It's a lovely 5x7 embossing folder. That tucks in there nicely. So moving on to the stamp set here, it's a lovely stamp set here. So as you can see, this detail here is going to match in with your embossing folder, and we have some lovely festive things here. Believe in the magic of Christmas, and even on your special day, so you don't actually have to be crafting for Christmas here. We've got best wishes, and we have holidays for those people over the pond, and just some lovely festive stamps here. We've got the holly and the poinsettias, and we have this here which I really like. It says photos, so again you can use this in your mini albums and use this set to make a mini album as well. So let's pop that down. Okay, so moving on to the papers and the cardstock now. So this is a contemporary Christmas, so we have non-traditional colours, and these really do pop out from the page. So we have these lovely snowflakes against the aqua, so we've got hot pinks and purples and some whites in there as well. So you get 3 sheets of those. And then we have some lovely festive foliage with these lovely like baubles or berries. It depends what you know how you'd like to view it. And again, we've continued with the lovely contemporary colours, and here we have some non-festive. I mean, you could use this as festive, but you can use this for birthdays or any other time of the year. So I just love the way that all of the colours work really well together. And then we also have matching cardstock as well. So this is going to slide out. So these are all A5 in size. So we've got some lovely hot pinks here, some lovely turquoise blues there, and then we also have the purple as well. So there's more than enough here for you to make some lovely projects. Okay, so now moving on to the die set. It's a really, really nice bumper die set here. Right, so I've set these all out on magnetic die sheets for you. So you get 21 dies in this set, and let me go through them so I can show you what each one does. So this is going to form the front or the back of your bag. So you need to cut 2 of these if you're making a bag. And here we have a lovely mat as well. That is going to create your mats, especially if you're going to want to add more colour and detail. So here we have the side here, and this mimics the lovely ornate shape here of the top of the bag, and that's going to do all of the cutting and the scoring for you. So there's literally nothing, you know, there's no hard work in this at all. And then this shape here, this is going to cut the bottom of your bag, so you need to cut 2 of those as well. And here we have an optional extra. This is just for the holes, if you want to have holes. Remember to run this through before you put your bag together, otherwise you won't have holes. Okay, so that is the backbones of the die set. Moving over here, we have the accessories now. So we have some dies here. We have a lovely bow there, and we have leaf dies. Leaf dies are probably one of my most favourite dies to use. So we have the holly and we have a snowflake here, and here we have some sentiments as well. So we have, this one will say my memories here. So it's absolutely perfect if you did want to make a mini album from this, you can do. And this one says Christmas, so it's lovely and perfect for just finishing off your Christmas projects. And we have a lovely corner die here as well, and some stars too. And this is one of my favourites, and I can't wait to make a Christmas version of this one here. Now this one is going to be perfect for making a Santa Claus bag. You can imagine that's going to be lovely for his belt. So that is the 21-piece die collection. Okay, so that's the die set, and I've shown you everything in here, and it also features some of my other sentiments. And one of the things I always say is audition your elements to find the perfect placement. So don't forget about that one, that's very handy. Right, so let's fold this up, and as you can see, it's a lovely sturdy folder. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And here we have Papercraft Society Box 2 Simply Made Crafts. So you can have that on your bookshelf, if you can imagine. That will look really nice if you have all of your other subscription box lined up there too. So that is the wallet. So let's look at what else you get in the box. Right, so let's start off with the inks first. Now these are some beautiful colours here. We have the lovely blue here that matches, these match perfectly with the cardstock. So we have the blue, the bright pink and the purple. And we also get this card here, go on dig in, that's what I would do, and that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So on the other side we have lovely matte sizes here, so if you ever do get confused or forgetful, this is perfect. You can have that on a notice board. This is another thing I'm really super excited about. These are crystal brads. These are so handy for using in your craft projects. Let's have a closer look at these. Let's tick a few out. There we go, they're silver brads. As you can see, they are lovely and sparkly. So you get a lovely handful of those. Absolutely perfect, even if you're making mini albums, decorating your cards. There's loads of things that you can do, especially if they're very decorative as well. So those are the crystal brads. And here we have some lovely ribbon here, so it has like a grosgrain effect on there of the lines. So that is the lovely white ribbon that will finish off your projects really nicely. And inside here we have a metallic pen. Now this one is silver, so let's pop this one out. As you can see, it's a lovely pen to write with, so it's got a lovely fine tip there, so you can do your brush lettering, you can just do some fine detail on your cards. If you like to add stitching around the edges of your cards, it will be perfect for doing that. Let's put that back inside. Right, so that's everything that you get inside the box, and there's also an inspiration booklet included with project ideas from myself and other designers, plus step-by-step instructions on how to make projects like this bag here, and also included is a voucher to save £5 off Simply Made Crafts at Craft Stash. So I do hope you're excited as I am about this November subscription box. Please do make sure that you do subscribe by the 21st of October. By midnight if you want to get your hands on the November Papercraft Society Subscription Box.